I generated over 3 million views on a TikTok organic dropshipping page that I started with just $1. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step exactly how I did it. I'm not going to be leaving out any of the details, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can learn the exact viral formula I used to blow up this TikTok account. I'm really excited to get into this video, so let's get started. Before we get into the details of this dropshipping store, I quickly want to mention that I just created a completely free TikTok dropshipping community that you can join with the first link in the description. Like I said, it's completely free to join. All you gotta do is click the link below and you can learn about how to start TikTok ads and how to start TikTok organic dropshipping, which is what I'm gonna be covering in this video. I mentioned that I started this dropshipping store with just $1. That's right, you can sign up for Shopify for $1 per month and it allows you to start a dropshipping store just like mine and run it for 3 months for just $3. So make sure to check that out. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, this is the TikTok account that I got over 3 million views on. It's called the Blaze Wallet. I know, it's a crazy product and no one would probably buy this, but you would be surprised. As you guys can see, a bunch of my videos got violations because of the fire. TikTok viewed this as dangerous, but it was also because of the hooks that I was using. So as you can see, this video got 2 million views, but we're going to save that one for last. Here's the first video that sort of blew up. Let's check it out. Warning, you can't bring this wallet on a plane. Why could you not bring this wallet on a plane? Well, because it catches on fire. This video got over 70,000 views and it was the first video that really gave me hope that I could blow up with this product. Next, this video got suspended, but we can still take a look. So this commenter asked what happens if it doesn't turn off? What happens if the flame doesn't stop? Your fingers will melt. Pretty obvious. Yeah, I bet the wallet would honestly melt before your fingers because it was a piece of garbage product. But anyway, let's move on to the video that actually performed well and got over 2.5 million views. So what I did to actually get this video to blow up was I took the first concept from the video that got 70,000 views. Our wallet is banned on planes. It's banned on planes because it's flammable. I took this and I ran with it and I said that it's banned on planes because it's flammable. Pretty simple. This video honestly just blew up because the video is super eye-catching. The wallet just catches on fire and it just blew up. Got over 2.5 million views, which is pretty awesome. So now let's get into the details of how much this store made. You guys might be surprised to learn that this store actually only got about $50 in sales. I'm pretty sure early bird sale, 35% off, that was a horrible offer. And I'm pretty sure that this store only got about 2 sales. I don't remember exactly how much I was selling it for, maybe 25 bucks. But even that, my profits were so bad. Nobody wants to buy a burning wallet because it's not really even a wallet. It's like a magic trick product. So I had actually a really good website. It had the same sort of color scheme with the fade and everything. I don't have the details of the login or anything, but it was a failure. And because of that, after this video blew up, I just decided to leave it. I'm pretty sure my store got 1,000 visitors and 2 sales, which is pretty bad. So I decided to move on, and I guess this is just a lesson that shows that not every product that goes viral will get you sales. I definitely learned a lot from this experience, and I really learned how to create a viral video. The main thing I learned was that once you see one thing working in a video, just do your best to recreate that into a new video, because that's exactly what I did. And the second time I used that hook, the video actually blew up. This is something that happens all the time in TikTok, and it's something that is super common within the TikTok organic community. Once you see that one hook starts to gain traction, then the best thing you can do is to run with it and keep making different hooks that are really similar but not exactly the same. So with that being said, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to join my free Discord community in the link below. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.